Hi friends, Ala is here. Welcome back to my channel, and today I invite you to paint a beautiful postcard for Easter. For this we will need watercolor paper A6 size, a pencil, an eraser, some watercolors. I will be using my 36 pens watercolors white nights. You can use any watercolors you have. We will need some water, a dryer, and paintbrushes. I will be using my paintbrush Nova Synthetics Da Vinci number 4. It will be a synthetic paintbrush as the size of the paper is small and I don't need a big paintbrush. You can choose any paintbrush you want or you have. And let's proceed with the drawing itself. I thought that it would be interesting to draw some eggs on this postcard and to draw those different sizes. As well, those will be different colors too. I also wanted to add some letters. It is not so important to have a very beautiful lettering or anything specific. It's not the time when we will learn. Just draw as you wish. And with an kneadable eraser I erase almost everything, but I leave very thin lines that will guide me throughout the work. And I start with Quinacridone Rose. It is kind of pink color that you can use. Look what you have on your palette. And I start painting with this color, covering all the surface of the egg. I choose different eggs to paint with this color. As well, pay attention that I add a lot of water and less color. But meanwhile the paper will be still wet. I take more color and less water to add some details and to make some darker shapes. The idea of this postcard is to create some speckled eggs, and first I do these speckles with the same color, but later on with the details on the second layer I will add this with the brown colors. Meanwhile it is wet, I add some dots, and you will see that this technique is called wet on wet. In this way the color starts to run all over the surface, which makes the work even prettier. Proceeding with other eggs and with another color, I take some ochre color. It is kind of yellow with little of brown color, if you don't have in your palette. Usually ochre color is used a lot, and it is not missed in any palette. The same, I just cover all the surface with this color, and then with raw sienna I add some darker details and a little bit of burnt sienna. In my case this egg is a little bit too wet. I should have left it a little bit too dry and then to add details. For example, here I added burnt sienna and I think that it makes it really dark, but it is up to you. By the end I enjoyed the result. Raw sienna is darker than ochre color and it is a little bit cooler. It depends on your palette if you have or not. If you don't have, just use the same ochre color but leave the paper to dry a while. And now I proceed with another egg with the same color. So I make 2 eggs of the same color. You can choose how you want to do it. On this egg I took only raw sienna color and added some interesting details on it to create the speckles. And last color I took cerulean blue for the main color. In such a way I cover all the surface of the egg with cerulean blue, and then with bright blue I will add details. Cerulean blue is super light color and as well it is granulated color. This is why you can see some interesting textures on the paper. And now with bright color I create some speckles as well. And my last egg I will proceed with cerulean blue too. I took this opportunity to paint 3 different colors on my card and to create this popping up effect. But if you want, for example, to make this eggs one color only, Obviously, you can do it as you wish. You don't necessarily need to copy exactly as I do. Stay creative and make as you wish. The letters, I decided to go with pink color. I decided to go with any of 3 colors that I already used. I think that you can do it the same. If you wish to add any other color, obviously it is up to you. Just look what you'll enjoy more. And paint the letters. The first layer of this postcard is done. You can dry the work and proceed with the second layer. And with the second layer, once the paper is dried, I proceed with burnt sienna and with sepia, depending on the egg that you will paint. For example, on my first egg, because I added burnt sienna already at the beginning, burnt sienna looked too light for the speckles, and I used sepia. It is super easy to add the speckles. You just add some dots with a darker color, and you have to use between burnt sienna or sepia. Look whatever brown color you have and how it looks on your work. We are coming to the end of this beautiful postcard. I hope you enjoyed painting with me. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask me, to leave a comment down below. I will be super happy to answer all of your questions. As well, don't forget to like this video, to share with beloved ones. And as well, not the last moment, is to subscribe to my channel. It motivates me to create more for you. Thank you for watching, and till the next time. Bye.